I think this would be pretty petty for you. So we are going to go to Pahang and totally getting judged. Are y'all judging me? Hi, this video is to show everyone how to pack light in a trip.
You see, I got bring one big ass one eh.
Hi guys, look at how little Evelyn here is packing. This is like a backpack, smaller than the one that she uses for school. And there's this shoe bag.
I should have.
Oh, and this is her dry bag. Yeah.
This one is Eileen's one.
Yeah, and then Eileen here, she's packing for moving house. And this is her dry bag, which is very heavy.
Oh, it's a water.
Alright, so it is currently 9:59, it's about 10, and we are gonna be going caving. Okay, guys, look at this pond that Elaine says look like Thai milk tea. It's really very milky and green. I think it's green Thai milk tea. Yeah. Okay, I think we are here at the cave, if I'm not wrong. Alright, so we are going into the cave now, and we have to be very quiet. And we shouldn't step like below the rocks because there may be like scorpions underneath the rocks, and we have to be very quiet. What are these shoes reflecting?
Anyone can tell me what you see here?
Will be a 45 minutes drive. Is it? Oh yeah, okay. In the sun. We have all these vests on because later we'll be going to the waterfall. I'm very excited. Yeah. It's gonna be 45 minutes of like roller coaster. So every time you feel like the roller coaster ride wasn't enough, right? Yeah. I think this will be pretty plenty for you. You have things attacking you. Uncle 你不要在那边下车啊，要不然我们就会走。Hi guys, so we found a tree that was blocking our that was blocking our way, and they're gonna cut it. Yay! Subscribe.
Subscribe, like, comment, share, press the notification button.
Last time in the olden days, we usually use parang. Now there is this new weapon we don't know about.
It looks, I don't know, it looks a bit like far.
Is it still a parang?
are here at the waterfall, like finally. Here are some very tall trees and what is this? Okay, and we're trying to get there now. So we had like a super rocky ride here, and there was this like caterpillar that landed on Evelyn's hand, and now it's like swollen and painful. Okay, anyway, here is the waterfall. Hi guys, so we are in the water now and we are gonna get nearer and nearer to the waterfall. Now my minions push me there! Yay! We are getting near to the waterfall here. What? I don't even know if got audio or not. Yay! Okay. We are having a very good time, I think. Oh my god, it's that cold! The water is that cold. Oh my god. Okay, bye bye waterfall. Bye bye. Oh my god, hey, I cannot reach you. This is little Evelyn who was helping me push. And that's good. Yeah, come on. Hey, we sing there together. Here is. Okay, should we push her out? I push you out. Okay, you take out your life vest, then we do it.
I don't think they allow it.
I think she knows one. Someone, here got girl, it's okay. Hey, Elaine, you want to go there? Then we take selfie.
I need to wear that shit now.
Yay! Are you ready?
Yes!
To go back?
Oh! Okay!
This one.
It's so cold!
Actually, damn cool, sir.
Why is everybody going there already?
If you are hearing this, the water is getting colder. We are nearing the waterfall again because we are up for the challenge. Hey, I'm not inside. I'm scared. Okay. For the gram. Hey, we should take selfie like that.
Yeah. How? Can you tap onto the screen?
Huh?
Can you tap onto the screen?
The white button, right? Yeah.
Wait, let's see what's there.
Hey, who are? Hey, the guy on the floor.
Yeah.
Hi. You staying at this?
Yeah.
Place, okay? And then right, must have the waterfall behind.
I think I'm taking
Okay, there you go for my childbirding experience number 2. Just one was number 1. It's tough giving birth. Yay! Hello world!
Subscribe, like, comment, share, press the notification button.